go. Okay, Milliger fans, you are seeing us right in our lovely warehouse here in the back where we've been prepping all day long for our vintage workshop. So this is pretty exciting. Someone's really excited.
This is my favorite category.
It's true. It's true. So you get to see, so we've been collecting all of these little vintage pieces. And so you're going to kind of get to pick and choose what you're going to be putting into your masterpiece. She's got a thing for angels. I don't know. Well, first, what you're going to do, okay, because we want to make sure that when you get here, that you know exactly how this workshop is going to run. And so they get to choose from 3 different options, right?
So you're paying $15 initially, and that is for the class, for the access to all of these vintage pieces, as well as some glitter, the glue gun, all those kinds of things. However, if you have a glue gun, it'd be nice to bring it along.
If you have a glue gun, bring it. But otherwise, we have some. It'll just be a little bit of a waiting.
So we want to give you an overview because we haven't done all 3 of these together before. So the first one is the tree in a teacup. But you have to bring a container. Now you don't have to bring a teacup, but I mean, how cute is this? This is a little teacup. You probably have these in your basement or wherever.
Or stop at the thrift store on the way here.
And then you select a fabulous tree, and we have so many. Now some of these have some ornaments already on them, and so the idea then is to add to that. So we made
these are examples.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be a teacup. It could be a mug. It could be a vintage bowl. It could be a vase. There's so many options. But we have some,
Maybe you just have a mug like this, okay? It doesn't have to be a teacup, but something like that. So bring this, and then we'll be able to help you to decorate it.
So the things that you can add to the little trees would be small parts, and they are basically 50 cents to $2. So some of them are a little bit more.
So they're all behind us here, lots of different offerings. Again, in the 50 cent to $2 range, but they're going to be all little collections like this. And then you'll get your own little basket, and you can pick and choose. So there's a variety of like different, here's our little 50-cent bargain bin. You'll need some things like this of, some substance and colors and a base to put in there.
But then these little ones are only $1. So, I mean, you can show that close up. And then if you go online and look at any of these vintage wreaths, they're selling for hundreds of dollars. So this is a huge bargain to be able to put these things together. And by vintage, we mean anything that is about 50 years old or so.
Well, someone just gave you a thumbs up.
Okay, all right, we like that. All right.
So one option is that like teacup. One is the candelier.
And this is a candelier. Do you remember these? They were in everybody's window years ago. And we have a triple, and we have a 5 candle option. So we do have some singles, but then you'd be done in a heartbeat. So you probably want something a little bit bigger. But we're going to probably roll the tinsel garland around it, hot glue that in place, and then just start adding. And it is so much fun to add, and you can just get as crazy as you like. But I love the little elves that get put on there. This,
we have some little elves you can add. Ooh, this one's cute. This one is definitely,
you can see,
definitely a vintage guy. Okay. So we're going to be working in the cafe area because the cafe is obviously not open. This will be at the Racine store. So we have plenty of room to be able to set up and decorate. And then the third option is this tinsel wreath. So you can do this in, 3 colors. You can, it doesn't matter too much because it gets pretty filled up, but at least you can see some of it. So you get the gold, the green, or the red. And then you'll be able to affix all of your ornaments and whatever other decorations you want to put in there with that. Now, what if you just don't feel like you're very artsy or that you're good at design?
Well, you can't go wrong because we have several designers here to help you, and there is no wrong way to do this. And what you're going to do is make a selection of some of the things that you like, and we will record that and give you a piece of paper, and all you have to do is work
really
with
fun
that.
to look
And then
through
if you
these.
want to add some more, then we'll just add that to your list. But there is no right way and wrong way. You might want to do a theme like we do have. And then there are some, just to supplement things, there are new ornaments that, like this, you know, any of the snowflakes that could be added. This looks very vintage. It's
That's cute.
new, made to look old. We have little elves. Let's see where they are. And here's, if let's say you were going to put one in your kitchen, you might want to do a kitchen theme. Here's a little mouse who's stirring out of this pot. And so there are things like that that you can add. Here's part of the himself the elf thing. It says #1 teacher. Unfortunately, nobody's giving that to any teacher. So we have a lot of these, and we're going to make these half price. And we're going to cross out number
Spray
one.
paint that.
Yeah, you can just write mom over that or something instead. So, but isn't
Well,
it
maybe
easier
you
to
just
make
put
it
some tinsel over
It
that.
just
I don't
sits
know.
right on this cup. Yeah,
Yeah.
right on the edge.
So
there,
lots
right
of
on the middle.
options. It does include wine, so if you need a little help to get those creative juices flowing, you'll be able to have some wine when you get here. And
Oh, and we have a lot of people coming. So if you want to come early, you can, you know, avoid the rush. If you're able to do that,
how early?
well, like it starts at
5:30.
5:30. Well, I mean, no, I mean by 5 o'clock. If you want to be here at 5, you can get a feeling for what's going on. But that would alleviate the crowding around the ornament selection area.
Okay, so that is it. We're pretty excited. That's our last official workshop where you have to do work.
Right.
Right.
Yeah.
So this is Tuesday night. That is on December 3rd, and it is here at the Racine store. You can come. It starts at 5:30, but if you want to come at 5, we'll be here. We'll be all set up with bells on, all ready to go, and it's going to be a really fun night. So we can't wait to see you.